The Insta360 X5 is now compatible with Realsee Virtual Tour software. I had an email from the guys from Realsee on August the 28th telling me it was compatible, so obviously I had to try it out straight away, and I can confirm it works brilliantly. So it's now early September 2025, and if you've got a Insta360 X5 and you want to make virtual tours with that great dollhouse view, then Realsee is the way to go, because the Insta360 X5 is a great camera for doing virtual tours with. The only drawback really with it is you couldn't really use it with the leading virtual tour software that do the dollhouse view, which is Matterport and Realsee. But Realsee have been really quick on this and got it compatible just like they did with the X4. So that is a big tick in the box for the guys at Realsee over Matterport. And I'll leave a link below of the example that I've done, because I've just been round and I've shot this place. This is the co-working space that I work in, and I can confirm that it looks great. And it took me about 20 minutes to scan this place. It was about 30 scans, and as you can see, it's quite a big office space. And then the virtual tour was actually ready within about 30 minutes, and I've just had a look at it and it looks great with the X5. And I think it is obviously a big step up from the X4 because it's got that bigger sensor, which is why it's so good for shooting virtual tours. Because if you've shot virtual tours, which I guess you have if you're watching this video, then you'll know that all you get to use really is the available light. So having a camera that works well in low light, which this does, because it's got that bigger sensor than the X4, it's actually 144% times bigger apparently, as it's a 1/1.28 sensor, I think. So it really does give you brilliant detail with that 72 megapixel sensor, and then the larger sensor size, which allows in more light. So if you are looking to create brilliant virtual tours that have that dollhouse look, then really look no further than getting the Insta360 X5 and combining it with Realsee, as you're going to get some great results. So like I say, just click on that link below and you'll be able to see the tour that I've shot here. So this isn't going to be a full tutorial walkthrough because I've done that with the X4, and to be honest, shooting with the X5 and the X4 is exactly the same process. The only difference is I had a bit of an issue with the X4, was that it just wouldn't stitch the tours together properly, and I got in touch with the guys at Realsee and they told me I had to turn off in-camera stitching in the X4, but that doesn't seem to be the case with the X5, thankfully, because I literally turned the camera on, turned the app on, they linked automatically, and I just got on with shooting it, and there was absolutely no problem with how the tour stitched together. So that's great news, because that's just one step that you don't need to do. So if you do have an X5 and you're looking to create virtual tours with that dollhouse view look, then really look no further than combining it with Realsee. It really is a great option. And go and check out the link below of the tour I've done of this office, as I say, and also check out that video about how to shoot it with the X4, because like I say, it's exactly the same process. And if you've not already subscribed to the channel, then what are you doing? Please subscribe, it really does help. But as always, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.